Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Travel Luxury with Ruchika. Today I am not in India, I am in Bangkok. And in Bangkok, I am right now at the center of the city. And the name of the hotel you have to tell me. Okay, name of the hotel is Sheraton Grand Sukhumvit, which is on at Sukhumvit Road. And it is at the center of the city. So this is the most premium hotel. And in the most premium hotel, I am today here in the Royal Suite, which is the topmost category suite of this hotel, which is at the 33rd floor. So I have got the opportunity to stay here. So today I will be giving you the show round of my suite. So as you can already see that this is the living room, which is so bright and beautiful. Let's look at the paintings and the showpieces, this lampshade. Each and everything is so beautifully curated here in this living room. From here, if you wish to see, you can see the cityscape. As I rightly said that I am in Bangkok, you can see it from your own eyes. Do you think I am right? Yes, definitely I am in Bangkok only. So, to welcome me, the hotel has put some amenities here, variety of fruits, some canopies, chocolates, local sweets here, the water of Aquapana, and this premium whiskey brand Glenlivet 12 with the welcome note. There are few nuts as well. And the welcome gift, which is a diary of the hotel, Sheraton Grand Sukhumvit Hotel, Bangkok. And definitely the welcome drinks. So with this, I'll take you to the dining room. And before I reach the dining room, I'll show you the workstation, which is just in front. Here. This workstation is so well placed that it is little secluded from the bedroom, so that we can sit comfortably and complete our work peacefully. With this, quickly we'll reach the dining room. And the dining room is so huge in size, it can fit 20 people. Yes, it would be a great experience for a big joint family to have a dinner or lunch here on this table. Look at the chandelier and the ceiling and the wall decor on my left hand side. Everything speaks that yes, I am special. I am the dining room of the Royal Suite. Now here is the kitchen next to the dining room. Which has a beautiful refrigerator, fully high-tech. And this is the butler entry for me. The butler can come anytime and prepare tea or coffee for me. And this is the television we can enjoy while having the dinner or the lunch. While crossing this area, again I would like to show you the chandelier. Now look at all these showpieces. Aren't they really great and mesmerizing? From here again, you can have the cityscape. The city itself is beautiful in its own way. Beautiful top skyscrapers are waiting for us to just draw the curtain and look out. With this, I'll take you to the other section of the room, suite. is the open air lounge where we can sit comfortably and enjoy the late night parties with our family members, with our friends. So this space is good enough for 15 to 20 people. This is not air conditioned, but this is good at night, very comfortable. From here also we can have the view of the city. Look at the lamps and the beautiful fan and the ceiling. Everything is so beautifully curated. Now with this, we are going to the bedroom. But before that, how can I miss this light? Now as we enter the bedroom, first attention is drawn by the carpet. It is so beautiful and the bed is so inviting. When I saw these cushions, my eyes really got widened. It is so sparkling, beautiful. Just look at the decor behind. And this recliner is really great. It gives you the peace of mind when you are sitting comfortably with a mug of coffee in your hand and watching the television. With this, here is the dressing area where I can sit and do my makeup. And one more surprise for you. So the things are really great here, high tech and enjoyable. Yes. So here also we have jewelry box and the other things which are required here. With this, I'll take you to the walk-in closet. So this is the walk-in closet where we have already stacked the luggage. And look at the paintings. They are so amazing in their own way. Chandelier is really so great to look at. And the mirror has its own beauty. So this is the washroom now. And the jacuzzi is ultimate. Who would like to miss the experience of this jacuzzi? Now here is the shower cabin, which is really liked by each and every person getting into this suite. Why? What is the reason? The reason is that it is a couple. It is a couple shower cabin. Why? Just look at the two overhead showers and two hand showers on both the sides. And these two are showers only, which everybody enjoys. So the amenities are also very premium. Here is the WC, which is very high tech. So as soon as I will get inside, it will automatically open. And here is the control panel to use the functions. So before we use it, we need to try and learn. This is the wash basin for him and her. And just, we cannot miss the glass here. The mirrors with the jacuzzi, which makes it look more attractive. And the chandeliers. Now there is one more thing which is really a little surprising. It was little surprising for me when I saw the suite for the first time. Like usually all the suites have one powder room, but this suite has two powder rooms. Like on both the side, one on the right hand side, one on the left hand side. So yes, it has the toilet seat and the wash basin. And on the other side as well. This is another one with the wash basin and the toilet seat. High-tech toilet seat. Yes, this is not to be missed. Like each and every chandelier in this suite is really great in a different way. They all are different from each other, but they all are so amazing to look at. Like I am feeling as if I need to sit and look at it. And do you want to see the number of my suite? Yes. For that you need to come out. This is my royal suite and the number of my suite is 3315. So let's get inside again. So my welcome drink is waiting for me. But before I enjoy that, I would ask you, what do you feel? Is it really royal? I told you it's a royal suite. Did you find it to be worthy? And what do you think, how much should be the tariff? You already know, you already have seen many of my videos. So now you can have some guesses. The tariff is 5 lakh rupees per night. But as I have already shared with you, that I have the elite status with Marriott. So the benefits of elite status with Marriott does not mean that I'll get the benefit only when I'm in India. It is across the world. Whichever country I go to, I'll enjoy the same benefits. So I have also shared with you how to get all these benefits and how to get the elite status. So please watch the video again, apply for it and bring this luxury in your life. Bring this royal suite in your life. Come to the Bangkok and enjoy the stay here. And what do you think? How much I paid? I just paid 3030k per night. Still, is it really too much? I don't find it to be too much. So for that, I will help you how to make the bookings, how to get here. For that, you have to keep watching my videos, keep liking, subscribing and sharing with your friends, colleagues, neighbors and relatives. Thank you. Bye-bye.